Hi, Sally from Materio here. Today, I'm going to show you our brand new templates and kits feature. So you can drop these right into your scope, but I want to just show you where you access this feature in your main menu. So if you come over here to templates and kits, there are two kinds. You have location kits, which are room specific. So if you wanted to drop an entire kitchen template into your scope of work, that's a location kit. Project kits are for things that are not tied to a specific location within the project. These are things like roofing or project management. Okay, so let's go back to the scope and I'll show you this in action. So if I come over here and I want to add a category, I can still do that as I have always done by clicking on a category and then manually adding individual scope items. Or I can come down here to location kits and just drop in an entire living room. And so that's going to create a new location for me, and it's going to say, okay, the living room template that you have includes a sofa, an armchair, a coffee table, and a rug. And I can unselect any of these items that I don't want to include. I'm going to add them all in, and then that's going to appear like that, and I can go ahead and add options just like I've always done. Now, if I wanted to edit any of the kits or add new ones, maybe you have a basic living room kit and a more deluxe option, which has more items in it, or you want to do a traditional living room and a mid-century modern living room. You would do that by just going to new location. You can name it whatever you want. That's going to be another living room that we have, and we'll create that kit. And then when you've created your new custom kit, you'll pull those scope items in for that to create that template from your item kits. These are components that you can add to kits over here. So let's say I want to add a rug, and I want to add a sofa and a coffee table. But then I want to edit these to be custom. So I'll say, all right, this is going to be a little bit more expensive in this option. I'm going to want to pull in my mid-century coffee table and save that. I want to add this specific rug for that kit. Change this a bit and save those changes. Likewise with the sofa, we're going to add a standard option here for this kit that we're going to always be able to drop in when we have a client who's looking for something like this. So now we can see I have my basic living room, and you can absolutely come in here and populate these with as many options that you want to show a client each time you use that kit, or you can create a totally custom kit, populate that with very specific items. So you'll see here, it comes with some preset kits, like a full bathroom, a bedroom. We have a couple different pricing tiers for half baths, a couple different pricing tiers for kitchens, but you can really come in here and make these totally your own. You can add selection options that you want to repeatedly be shown to clients. You can add another even more deluxe tier of a kitchen as a location kit, anything you want. And then if you have a client who wants to work within a particular style and you have a kit that you want to offer for those types of things with a bunch of different options within that style, you would just come in here and drop that very specific kit right into your scope. Okay, so now I'll show you how to create a custom kit that is going to be project-wide. This isn't just a room on site that you're going to drop into your scope. This is something broader, like roofing or project management. And so come over here and create a kit, and we'll call this landscape design. Then landscaping, and create the project-wide kit. Now you're going to go in and add the components that are going to be dropped in to this template. So let's say you have some design hours in this, and then you have some contracted labor for gardening or setting up a slate patio or installing a water feature or something like that. Existing feature removal, in case you need to get an old deck or patio out there. And we'll give that a general cost. And I'm going to add a basic water feature and go ahead and add things there. So that's just a little bit of an idea of how you can create a project-wide kit for things like landscaping, roofing, foundation. And then the last thing that I want to show you is how you can take items in your scope and turn them into a template. Say I wanted to save this as my super, super basic dining room decoration kit. So I'm going to make sure that I'm in location view, and I've added the dining room here. And I'm just going to move my items into the dining room. And I can come up here to these three dots, and I'm going to save that as a new location kit. And I'm just going to call this basic dining room furnishings. And I'll save that kit and come over to my templates and kits. And once again, I can come in here and I can edit all of the information for my basic dining room kit. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions about using kits, reach out to us in the chat or send us an email at support@materio.co. We're here to help.